Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to show you around this remarkable Range Rover Autobiography in Santorini Black. This car is next due for a service in July 21 and has previously had only one owner. You have a powered tailgate, with plenty of space there in the back for things such as golf clubs or pushchairs, and you can also put the chairs down for even more room. You can close the boot using that button there or the one on your key, which is handy if you have your hands full. Keyless entry, so if I lock the car I can open it just by pulling the handle as long as the key's near me. Autobiography tread plates and a gorgeous leather interior, which is definitely easier to clean. A sliding panoramic roof, which is great on a nice sunny day like today, or if you just want a bit more fresh air. You also have an electric sunblind. Front centre console cooler compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. Touchscreen with different functions including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Valet mode, meaning you can lock the screens where valeter can only access your climate control. You also have ambient lighting with various different colours to choose from, which looks cool especially in the dark. Different driving modes depending on the weather or where you may be driving, including comfort, grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts and sand, and a rock crawl one. Suspension, whether you want it higher for off-roading, in the middle for normal driving, or lower to make it easier to get in and out of the car. The seats are heated and cooled, which is ideal for winter and summer, and the same in the back, making sure all passengers are happy. Going back to the front, they are massage with several different settings, which is definitely a luxury. A rear view camera with a 360-degree option, making parking and reversing easier, especially in a big car. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, making driving along the motorway safer and easier, along with a heated steering wheel. Memory seats, which is handy if there's several people in and out of the vehicle, and a Meridian sound system, making each journey that little bit more enjoyable. This car has done 24,653 miles, and you can also change the display layout depending on your own preference, whether you'd want 2 dials, 1 dial. A full map, which is definitely easier when using the sat-nav or your media. Stepping back outside the car, you also have soft door close. And that was a lovely Range Rover Autobiography. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 31. Thank you.